OAWALKER here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the new Note 9. I picked it up in the ocean blue color. We're just going to unbox it and see what you get inside. So I've got the 128 gig, and these are just some of the specs that you got on the back. You can see the Quad HD 6.4-inch screen and all that good stuff. So let's open this up, see what you get inside. I did actually, for those of you interested, I did get this as an upgrade on EE, and it will be replacing my Pixel 2. This just slides off. There we go. There's another little seal here. First thing on top, you have Note 9. Take this off and you got the phone underneath. So here you got your SIM card removal tool. I'll show you how to insert that as well if you're interested. And then here you got some documents, your quick start guide and stuff, and I think warranty information as well. Let's put that to one side. Right underneath it you have your phone. Wow, there it is. Note 9 in all its glory, with the pen right there. Let's put that away for now, we'll come back to this. What else do we have in the box? We have a 3-pin UK plug. You have an adapter, so you can actually transfer stuff from your old phone and do a bunch of different stuff with that. And you also have your charging cable, which is a Type-C cable. Pretty long. It does come with these headphones as well, the Akg Headphones, and it has that 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use your normal headphones with it. This is if you want to replace the tips on your S Pen. That comes with spare ones inside in case it breaks or anything, and you got AirPods as well to change the size of this. So let's put all of this back in the box and take a look at the phone. So now we've got the phone here. Like I said before, I've got the ocean blue phone and it looks pretty good. Let's do a quick walk through the phone. You have your volume rocker here and you got your Bixby button, which it isn't reprogrammable, but if you search online there's ways to get around it. You got a microphone and you got your SIM card and SD card goes in there. You got your power button on this side, and at the bottom you got your speaker, your USB Type-C, 3.5mm headphone jack, and you got your S Pen, which just clicks and comes out like that. And I like that how it's a yellow one, a yellow and a blue. I think it looks pretty cool. So we'll be testing that out. So let's power it on and see if there's any juice. There you go, Note 9. So like I said before, it has a 6.4-inch screen, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's Android 8.1. Hopefully you'll get the new Android update soon. I'm not sure if this is running the Exynos processor or the Snapdragon. I'm gonna have to double check on that one. This one comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM for the 128 gig, and the 512 is 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's pretty cool. Overall, it's a pretty good phone. It pretty much has everything you want in a smartphone. So let's start and go through this up really quickly. Another SIM card inserted. Let's get through that. I'm just skipping all of these for now. I'm obviously gonna go back and set up everything properly. This is just a quick video showing you the startup process. Let's have a quick look at it. It's pretty good so far. I'm not connected to the internet. I don't even have a SIM card in there yet. So these are some of the default applications they get pre-installed. My EE, Obviously, because it's locked, it's a carrier one. It comes with the EE app. And Samsung, you get a few of the files in here. You got your Google ones. You got your, don't need that. You got your Microsoft apps. I believe you can uninstall them or hide them. You got Samsung Pay, which I'm actually want to try out as well. You got messaging, calendar, Facebook. You got a game mode in here as well. Let's have a quick look at the camera. Camera itself, first impressions are pretty good. I'm going to be doing a video test, and that will be on my channel in a few days, showing you, how the video is 4K and stuff like that. So that'll be going up on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, this is just a quick little look at the brand new Note 9. I'm going to be doing a ton more videos on the phone, showing you off some of the features and how to do this and how to do that. If you want to see a video, you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to do videos on it. And that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below if you're planning on getting one, or if you like it, if you don't like it. Leave all that good stuff in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Peace.